Hello everyone. Good morning to all. Class 8, Subject Mathematics, Lesson number 12, Properties of Quadrilaterals. We have completed the introduction part of Properties of Quadrilaterals. So quadrilateral, it means four side figures, and polygon, it means the figure which has three sides or more than three sides. We have learned angle sum property, in that the sum of interior angles of a quadrilateral. Now the next topic is angle sum property, sum of interior angles of a pentagon. The sum of interior angles of a pentagon is 540 degree. Let's prove it. Consider a pentagon A, B, C, D, E as shown in the figure. We join AC and AD. The pentagon is divided into three triangles. Triangle ABC, triangle ACD, and triangle ADE. Numbering the interior angles of the three triangles as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, by adding them, we get angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree, because of the sum of angles of triangle A, B, C is 180 degree. Same like in triangle ACD, angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 9 is equal to 180 degree. Now in triangle ADE, angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 8 is equal to 180 degree. It means the sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. As we have done, the sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. Now, adding all the angles of the three triangles, we get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 is equal to 180 degree plus 180 degree plus 180 degree. Now in this pentagon, the angle A is divided into three angles. Angle 1 plus angle 9 plus angle 8 plus angle 2 plus angle C is divided into two angles. Angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle D is divided angle 5 and angle 6 plus angle 7 is equal to 180 degree plus 180 degree plus 180 degree is 540 degree. Now class, angle 1 plus angle 9 plus angle 8 is angle A. Then angle 2 is angle B. Then angle C is angle 4 and angle 3 addition. Then angle D is angle 6 plus angle 5 plus angle 7, that is angle E. So therefore we get angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to plus angle D is equal to 540 degree. So it means class, the sum of interior angles of a pentagon is 540 degree. Now, the next point is angle sum property. Sum of interior angles of a hexagon. Now, the sum of interior angles of a hexagon is 720 degree. Consider the hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F as shown in figure. Now here we have to join AC, AD, AE. The hexagon is divided into 4 triangles. Triangle ABC, triangle ACD, triangle ADE, and triangle AEF. Numbering the interior angles of the 4 triangles, angles are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now, in each triangle, by adding the angles, we get angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. It is the sum of all the angles in triangle ABC. Now, addition of all the angles in triangle ACD is angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 12 is equal to 180 degree. Then in triangle ADE, angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 11 is 180 degree. Now in triangle AEF, angle 8 plus angle 9 plus angle 10. Again, the addition of all the angles in triangle is 180 degree. After that, adding all the above equations, we get on LHS, addition of all the angles is equal to on RHS 180 degree plus 180 degree plus 180 degree plus 180 degree is equal to 720 degree. Now the angle A is divided into 4 parts, that is angle 1 plus angle 12 plus angle 11 plus angle 10. Angle A plus angle B. Angle C is divided into 2 parts, that is angle 3 and angle 4. Angle D is divided into 2 parts, angle 5 and angle 6. Angle E is also divided into 2 parts, angle 7 and angle 8, and angle F is angle 9. So, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E plus angle F is equal to the sum of all the angles in a hexagon is equal to 720 degree. Now, here is some important results of angle sum property. So the first one, sum of interior angles of a three-sided polygon, that is a triangle, is equal to 180 degree. Then second, sum of interior angles of a four-sided polygon quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Then third point, sum of interior angles of five-sided polygon pentagon is equal to 540 degree. Then fourth point, sum of interior angles of a six-sided polygon hexagon is equal to 720 degree. In general, if a polygon has n sides, we can divide its interior into n-2 triangles with a common vertex. It means class, if the pentagon, so we can divide it 5 sides, that is a 5 minus 2, it means 3. So in a pentagon, we can divide that pentagon into three triangles. Then the sum of interior angles of a polygon will be equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree, and 180 degree we can write two right angles. Two right angles, it means 90 degree plus 90 degree is 180 degree. Now here this 2 is multiplied to this bracket, so we get 2n minus 4. 2n minus 4 into right angle. Let's take one example. For example, the n is number of sides are 5 sides. Then how much is the sum of interior angles? So n is 5 sides. Put that n value in this equation. So we get 2 into 5 minus 4 into right angle, it means 90 degree. So we get here 10 minus 4 into 90 degree. And 10 minus 4 is 6 into 90 degree, and 6 into 90 degree is a 540 degree. So sum of the interior angles of 5 sides, it means pentagon, is a 540 degree. So this is the formula to find the sum of interior angles of a polygon. Hope you have understood all the topics, all the concepts. So next lecture we will do the special types of quadrilaterals. Thank you everyone.